Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much to Reyna for sending me all these amazing goodies. They are a nail company. They offer some nail strips, which is what their main purpose is. They also have some press-on nails along with some dip powders, and they also have some really beautiful embellishments that you can purchase on their site. So here I'm just going to show you a little bit of everything. Thank you so much once again to Reyna. I absolutely loved everything. What I love about their nail strips is that they're very flexible. Literally, they mold into your natural nail, or you can also use them with full cover nail tips. They just mold onto the nail like a glove. They're also amazing quality. They're eco-friendly. They're very easy to apply, easy to work with. This is something that is fast and on the go, and it just doesn't get easier than nail strips. And on top of that, they're 100% gel nail strips, so it's real polish on them. So that is just absolutely amazing, and they are affordable. Also, if you go on their website, they also have a discount code, so you can definitely save some coins on top of the fact that everything there is affordable. Here, as you guys can see, I'm showing you some beautiful 3D embellishments, and along with some more. I'm just so happy. I had such a great time creating this video. At first, I was a bit nervous because I didn't know if they were gonna work well, you know, and they actually worked absolutely amazing. And another thing, I didn't know if they were gonna adhere to my full cover nail tips because I didn't want to use my natural nail plate. I know some people do, but I prefer using nail tips. So yeah, everything just works so easily, so beautifully, and I was just really impressed. Their quality, their packaging, everything is just outstanding. I literally have no complaints about them, and I was really excited just to bring something new into this channel. If you hear little paws or movement, that is my dog. He loves to be around me. So yeah guys, I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. It was something new and something different to incorporate into the channel, so I really am glad that I did and that this company reached out to me. So here I am just removing the shine from my natural nails with the file it came with, and then next, as a dehydrator, I will be using the wet wipe to remove all the dust and oils from my nail plates, and after I will be going in with the dry wipe to dry everything off and begin this process of these nail strips. Every nail strip includes a dry wipe, a wet wipe, and a nail file, so that is definitely a plus. I really recommend you guys at least go and check out the site because wow, I really like this. And in the past, I did use some from Amazon, which I will post a picture up here on the screen for you guys to see, and they were great and I loved them at the time. But when I tried these and I saw how flexible they were and how easy they adhere and how just overall how they come together so flawlessly, and they're so easy to apply and they're really fast to just get a beautiful at-home salon look, I was just absolutely impressed. These honestly are the best nail strips that I've ever tried, because I've only tried the other ones from Amazon that I purchased that were great as well, but when I tried these were at a whole other level. I was afraid of the size. I didn't know if they were going to be big enough, but that's another thing that I'm really happy about, that they're big enough for you to use on your nails or on your toes, and you can just cut them and then file them and shape them to whatever shape your nail or toes are. So I really like that about these nail strips. The flexibility really allows you to do way more with them, and I really appreciate that about these particular nail strips. And by the way guys, this is my second time editing and doing this voiceover because unfortunately my computer, something happened and deleted everything. I was a bit upset about it, but I just had to take a deep breath, get back to it, and just, I guess, be grateful that I was able to redo the video for you all. So yeah, there was a lot of struggles behind the scenes, but I'm just glad that, you know, this is the second time around and everything just processed just fine. So these are what the nails look like. Well, this is what the thumb looks like as far, and I absolutely loved it. I decided to pick this particular nail strip set because it was Valentine's Day themed. They are so cute. If you guys notice this little cheetah print, they're actually little hearts, and I thought that was super cute. So now I'm just placing on the second nail strip, and I'm just going to repeat the same process for the rest of the nails. And what I also enjoy is how easy it is to just remove the excess from the nails with a file to just shape to your liking. It's very easy. You just literally use the nail file and it comes right off, so that is definitely a plus. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys have ever tried nail strips, if you guys like them, if you'd be willing to try them in the future. I definitely love how the nail industry has so many different options and just so many different ways that you can do nails, and I just really love that. I will have everything linked down below for you guys down in the description box if you're interested in checking out their site or you want to purchase anything from them. I definitely recommend them. I give them a 10 out of 10. I was really impressed with these nail strips. They are 100% nail polish. They are gel polish strips, so that is definitely a plus. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all the love and support. Literally, it means the absolute world to me seeing all the love, and just anyone who takes the time to watch the video or give it a thumbs up or a comment. It means the absolute world to me. Thank you to all my subscribers or to those who just watch my content. Really, it really does mean a lot. After I was done applying the nail strips, I decided to go in with some UV top coat, and I cured it under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. It took the nails to a whole other level. The shine on these nails, I was very impressed. I was like, whoa, they looked even better. So yeah guys, I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.